everyone. Hope you are doing well. And today is me, Ayush Kandel. I'm here to present about our assignment, second assignment for BN 209 Software Engineering. And our topic is a software requirement specification, SRS analysis and e-commerce. And in my team, we have got five members. First, Rajat Nepal, Ayush Vishal, Ayush Kandel, myself, Silas, Casey, and Ayush Karki. And for the another slide, I'd like to hand over to my colleague.
So we are going to talk about e-commerce platform, StellarMart. This software requirement specifications is designed to define the functional and non-functional requirements of the StellarMart e-commerce platform with accuracy. This document functions as the authoritative guide for the development team, testers, and other involved stakeholders throughout the project's lifecycle. It aims to foster a mutual understanding of the system's capabilities, limitations, and intended behavior, thus facilitating a successful development and implementation progress. Additionally, the platform will provide administrators with comprehensive capabilities to efficiently manage product listings, inventory control, and customer information in the system. The StellarMart platform will function as the primary online storefront for Stellar Retail Inc., offering a wide range of products to the customer, and it will seamlessly integrate with the existing inventory management system, which will ensure real-time product availability updates on the platform. Additionally, the platform will be integrated with a secure payment gateway to provide a seamless and secure customer transactions. I would like to hand over to Ayush.
Hello, my name is Ayush, and I'm gonna talk more about the system interfaces of the StellarMart platform. And its first one is inventory management system. The platform will exchange product inventory data with the inventory management system using a RESTful API. This integration will ensure that the product availability information is displayed on the platform is always up to date. Second one is payment gateway. The platform will securely transmit payment information to the payment gateway using HTTPS and encryption, which will safeguard the sensitive data and ensure compliance to the platform with PCI DSS requirements. And third one is shipping provider. The platform will integrate the shipping provider API, for example, like Ostpost, Uber, etc., by calculating shipping costs, generating shipping labels, and providing tracking information to customers. And for user interfaces, the platform will provide a user-friendly, web-based interface accessible from various devices such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones for easier use of the services provided. The interface will also follow the content guidelines to ensure inclusivity for users with disability and design the e-commerce platform with prioritized easy navigation, clear product presentation, and a streamlined checkout process. I'd also like to talk about the hardware interfaces. Since the platform has no specific hardware requirements, I'll go to software interfaces. The first one is content management system. The platform will utilize a CMS to manage product description, images, and other content, and will provide an intuitive interface for administrators to create, edit, and publish content without requiring technical expertise. Another one is database management system. The platform, StellarMart, will use relational DBMS like MySQL and PostgreSQL to store and manage product, user, and order data. The DBMS will support atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability properties to ensure data integrity in the system.
Thank you, Ayush. So in my part, I'll be discussing about the use case diagram. So here you can see a diagram of the system. In the e-commerce system, we have four key actors, and they are the customers, admin, payment gateway, and the shipping providers. The customer interact with the platform to browse product and add them to the cart, make payments, and track shipping. So likewise, the admin manages the product listing, inventory, and order, while the payment gateway securely processes transaction. Finally, the shipping provider ensures the delivery of the goods. And our use case diagram shows the interaction between this actor and the system. The key use cases include browsing product, making payments, and tracking orders, and there are many more as well. These actions flow through the system and involve different actors at various stages, ensuring a smooth user experience. The next slide, please. So, for fully developed user description, we have chosen checkout, and it shows everything that will include on the checkout system. So you can go through every step that will go through it. So next slide, please. So here we have the sequence diagram. In sequence diagram, we detail how various components of the system interact to fulfill a customer's order. Starting with customer browsing product, the e-commerce platform display the product list. When the customer adds on an item to their cart, the platform confirms the addition at checkout. The payment gateway processes the payment request and confirms the transaction. Once the payment is successful, the platform sends an order details to the warehouse for the fulfillment, and the shipping provider is notified to begin the delivery process. The sequence diagram effectively shows the dynamic interaction and ensures a smooth process from browsing product to the final delivery of the order.
Hello everyone, it's me Ayush. I'm going to speak about advanced class diagram. So it is basically a mechanism that has structural features, also known as attributes in it, and has behavioral features such as form of operation, how it gets operated. So here in admin, we have admin ID, username, password, permission, and also in customer name, date of birth, so on. So these are the attributes. So admin ID, username are the attributes of admin and so on. So talking about the behavior feature or the form of operation, so we have used the arrows that signs one to many relational arrows. So through that we can know the relation between the admin, customer, shipping provider, and payment gateway. So also talking about the activity diagram, it is actually a graphical representation of workflow. It is basically the mechanism how the project works. So basically, firstly, there's a customer that does the user login, and then they actually go through browsing product, and then they select a product. So there's a decision representing diagram over there. So after the product is displayed, either they choose the product or go to next product. So after that, they add to cart resources and then proceed to checkout and then payment, and then they receive the product. So this is basically a process how it starts and it ends. So the activity diagram actually represents that. Now I'd like to call my friend Roger to continue more on this.
Thank you, Ayush. Now I'm going to talk about software testing and accepting criteria for making sure that e-commerce system is working nicely, fulfilling the needs of stakeholders. It is essential to establish comprehensive software testing and acceptance criteria. Testing criteria. Under testing criteria, there is like unit testing. In this testing, analyzing different parts like user registration, processing of order, and product search abilities are included. In integration testing, investigating how various modules like fulfillment of the orders, payment system integration work with each other closely. And in system testing, verifying every model functions as one unit by analyzing the system as a whole. Like we can take an example. In this, a customer can go inside the software, look the product, add to the cart, and continue to check out without any error. And the next one is performance testing, the performance of the website, and like the last one is security testing. And about the acceptance criteria, the e-commerce system will be acceptable after users can register, log in, look for the product, select the needed one, make the purchase after liking it. The software make updates in the real time of the products available quantities and processes the payment exactly. Performance standards during the peak time are also included, like during the heavy traffic it shouldn't take more than 2 seconds for the order to be shown. That is response time of whether user whatever user do inside the software. Main importantly, all encryptions and other security measures are applied and fully implemented. Now, proposed deployment strategy. The development team is responsible for developing and testing the code, which involves the unit functionality and security test. Deployment phases. The first one is deployment environment. Code is made and it is tested by the deployment team members. And local testing involves unit tests, functionality tests, and security testing. The second one is production environment. After the system passes all the tests in the process, then it is deployed to live production environment. In this, it includes servers, data configuration, backup plan, DNS configuration, etc. And the third one is incremental rollout, beta launch. In beta launch, system is launched in a small group that is inside the organization among the members to check real world functionality. Full rollout. After checking or testing in beta launch and addressing the issue that is found in beta launch, the system is made available to all the users. Monitor and scale. Monitoring the performance of the system after launching it, and then scaling and knowing the capacity of the server in heavy traffic. That's all. Thank you.